How to mention someone in comments on threads on Android. This tutorial shows you how to tag anyone in a comment quickly and easily. First, open the Threads app on your Android device. After that, find the post where you want to leave a comment and tap on it to open it. Let me show you. At this point, tap on the reply or comment icon below the post to open the comment field. In the next step, tap on the comment field to open the keyboard. From there, type the @ symbol, followed by the username of the person you want to mention. At this stage, a list of suggestions will appear, showing accounts that match the username you typed. Tap on the correct person to tag them. Following this, their username will now appear highlighted in your comment, confirming they have been mentioned. Once done, finish typing the rest of your comment and tap on Post to share it. From here, the person you mentioned will receive a notification letting them know they've been tagged in a comment. They can tap on the notification to go directly to that post and see what you wrote. At this stage, you can mention multiple people in the same comment by typing the @ symbol again and adding another username. Repeat the process for each person you want to tag. And that's it. If this guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.